Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Today we will have not one unboxing, but don't open three. So it's gonna be a little Gucci haul. As I said before, I am a Gucci lover and I am a Gucci shoe lover. Guys, if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next videos. And there is still a lot to come, so subscribe. Today, I will do like this. Attends, hold on. Let's just keep the two white ones. So I bought them, as you can see. This is the old Gucci packaging, because now it's the green one with this vintage vibe, which I really love. So yes, for this one, even if I really find this packaging really classy and, you know, elegant, etc. So I bought them last year, and of course, as I didn't do the unboxing, I didn't wear them. So let me present my Gucci babies, and then we can have a little chit chat video around it. So this one is from My Teresa. So both of them I bought on reseller website like My Teresa, Selfridges, the Matches Fashion, I think, if my memory is good. Because sometimes I don't find my size on Gucci, you know, itself. So I am 41 and a half, and now I'm more like a 42, which is a UK 7, UK 8. And in US I am 11, 12. So voilà, I have like a big feet. And so the first one is, let me take them out and close the box. Alors, this is my first pair. So So I think I forgot, but they are all Jordan, like Jordan loafers. I love the Jordans. I think it's a really classy and elegant and timeless shoe. I do really love them because, okay, you pay around 700 to 800, but you will get, you know, your cost per wear, it will be really low, because I have some shoes, I bought them like pre-loved, so someone wore them, etc., and I still wear them and they still look really good. So it's a really good quality. This one is not a leather one, it's, as you can see, blue canvas. Yeah, and you have, you know, the GG print embroidered in the shoe with a metallic thread. And as you can see, it's brand new. And I just think they are really beautiful. Let me show them, and then I will explain why I gave the priority to these colors instead of, you know, buying a pair of white and black Jordan that I've been like wishing since forever, and I I never buy them. Every year I'm like, I need the black, I need the white one, and I never buy them, and I buy something else, which is not good. I mean, depends. So the second pair, okay, I'm still having my dust problem in the ear. Alors, I will put this one here. And voila for the second one. As you can see, they are from the same collection. So here we will have the same canvas, but it's gonna be ivory or kind of off-white color, and you will have the Gigi embroidered in it with the metallic thread too. Brand new, and they are both, I mean, the HORSEBIT on both shoes are gold. I think they could have put on this one a silver HORSEBIT. I think it would be better, but it's okay, it's not a big deal. And the last one, so this one I bought it a month ago, so you can actually find it on Gucci website. This one I bought directly from Gucci because it's the new collection. Oops. So this one is Jordaan Loafers. This time we will have, it's not leather, it's a canvas, and it's a gray canvas. We have a silver HORSEBIT, and the Gigi are embroidered in a dark blue color, which I love it. If you guys are familiar to Gucci, you know that this color is has been released years and years and years and years ago, because you can find on the pre-loved vintage market bags and shoes with this print, this color. So when I saw it on Gucci's website, I was like, oh my god, I just need to get them because they have this vintage vibe, but I will have brand new shoes, so this is super cool. And when they, because I first bought the 41.5, and when it came, it was too tight. I don't know if they changed something. It doesn't look too, I'm a little bit scared to wear this one because I think it's gonna be too small. But I had to take a 42. It's true that now it's really hot, and you know, my feet and my legs, they are bigger, so maybe this is a reason I gained weight too, so maybe that's why I had to take 42 for this one. Of course I need to wear them a little bit, so you know, they will be more comfortable, hopefully. And yeah, so why did I buy these 3 pairs and not my black and white pairs that I've been wishing since forever? Before COVID, you could find the Gucci Jordan in different colors and materials available on Net-a-Porter, My Teresa, Gucci, etc., etc., Farfetch, voilà. And I don't know why, after COVID, they reduced the production and they reduced the offer, which means now you can, of course, easily find the black and the white one. And sometimes you will see, like last year, a blue that will pop up, white one, or this year they did this gray one. And it took me a few months to understand that now when they release a new color, if you like, you buy. You don't wait, you buy. Because I think they have like XXX like sizes and, you know, like pairs, and when it's gone, they will not produce it again. So I don't know if it's because of COVID. I don't know if it's because before they did too many colors, too many materials, and at the end they didn't sell it. I'm not sure. This could be a reason, because I remember sometimes I really wanted, you know, a pair of Jordaan and I couldn't find them in my size. And sometimes still with the shoes they have at the moment on their website, it's really hard to find the bigger sizes. So I don't know. But the only thing I know is that for the Jordans, if you like it, you better buy it, because it's not sure they will produce it again. So you will like think you can think about it for the next 6 months before you go and you get it. I did this mistake and I do really regret. So now when I find a pair that I really like, I just buy them, and voila, because as I said before, it's a really good shoe. The quality is amazing. I have some pairs. Some I bought them new. Some I bought them pre-owned, and they still look really great. And it's a shoe that will fit with everything, anything, like a dress, pants, jeans, shorts, skirts. Like it goes with like anything and. Everything, anything. Yeah, it really, you will really get what you paid for. Like you will really use and enjoy your shoes. So that's why I have a little collection of Jordans. I think I will keep buying them. I'm quite lucky because as I have a big feet, a big foot, I can check sometimes in the main section too. I just have to take a little bit smaller because it's wider, etc. But yeah, I can still wear men's shoes, so that's cool. But yeah, they don't have a lot of choice neither. So voila. So my advice for today is, if you like the Jordan, don't wait, just buy. At least, well, buy online and you can always like receive, try, think, and if you don't want, you send it back. But at least you guarantee your pair of Jordan. Guys, I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comment box if you know the Jordan is a shoe that you like, if it's a shoe that you don't. I hope you do like it. But yeah, I can understand sometimes it's a little bit too classic, but too classic cannot be too classic, you know. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and voila, I see you tomorrow for my next video. And if you don't follow me yet, don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Je vous fais des gros bisous, je vous dis à demain. Bye.